Hi, Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, I will be making a Nutella peanut butter Danish. This recipe is super special to me as I was part of the meal planning at a famous restaurant in 2003 called Noma, N-O-M-A in Denmark. The original recipe will be in the description below along with the links of the products you see me using here today. If you think my cooking videos are sweet and delicious, all we ask is multiple thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. If you're ready to cook, I'm ready to cook. Let's make this peanut butter Nutella Danish Ring.
Just keep going.
Cut. The original recipe.
Come on, dude.
The original recipe